What is up, guys? Ecom Musa here, back with another video. As you can see, in Dubai, and actually the Burj Khalifa has right now a little laser show going on. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this view is pretty amazing. This is our new apartment downtown, which we bought as an investment, and we just furnished everything. I don't know if you can see it. I will make later a video about it, but the topic for today is actually how to generate more sales and maximize the opportunity of Q4, right? Everyone knows that Q4 is like the best time to maximize your sales in e-commerce, and one reason is obviously all the special days that we have. For example, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, and also what contributes to more sales is obviously the weather. A lot of people are in winter time more at home, having more time to use social media and stuff, and we can utilize it in order to make more sales. And I will give you 3 simple tips that you can do in order to get way more and better results. So the first thing you want to consider is to use remarketing. Remarketing is extremely powerful, and I've seen a lot of people that are still not doing enough remarketing. You have to understand, a person needs to see your product or your store at least 5 to 10 times, right? So if you're just running ads to cold traffic, it's very unlikely that you will be profitable. It can happen, but most likely it will not be profitable. But remarketing can turn this around and make it profitable again. So make sure you have a window for remarketing, not just over the last 7 days or 30 days. Even open it up for 180 days. So you will engage with everyone that had contact with your company or your product over the last 6 months. If you use engagement campaigns, you can even go further, meaning to say you can target people that engage with your Facebook page and Instagram page and use 1 year as well. So that's the first thing you want to do. Just bump up the budget for your remarketing, at least I would say 40% of your current budget that you are spending for remarketing. And also another thing, if you have already a running product, then you're good to go, you can maximize on it. But if you're in the testing phase, it's pretty much too late, right? I mean, it's never too late, you can still go for it and push it, but what I mean is that now the competition is way more tense, you have different numbers, and you should have already a product that is getting regular sales, let's say on daily basis. It doesn't matter how much, but at least you get some sales per day that are close to break even profitable, and then you can go ahead. Another thing that a lot of people are sleeping on is email marketing. You want to send people like 2 or 3 emails per day in order to get them aware of your special offers. For example, Black Friday, you want to say, hey, look, we have that special offer only on Black Friday though, so you have to put some scarcity and say, look, on this day you can get up to 70%, 50%, whatever you have, and just send it out. Actually check your emails that you received over last months from companies that are doing well, and you can just get a guideline from it and try it yourself out as well. And the last thing you want to do is use different platforms, right? So everyone is going for Facebook, but in fact you have I mean, these days we're 2021, we have so many different platforms that are basically untouched. I'm talking about TikTok, I'm talking about Pinterest, Snapchat. So when your product is working, you want to utilize different platforms and not just depend on Facebook, okay? So that's a big thing. Besides that, when you use different platforms, by the way, Google or YouTube is as well extremely profitable. But yeah, you want to use also different countries, not just go for US, UK or English speaking countries. Maybe try something exotic, right? We have a lot of new developing countries that has huge potential, and just try them out. Now in these days, it's a very good time to test those new countries. And yeah, those are my 3 tips. I hope you like them. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram, and we will see us soon.
Musa, heard you're doing great things using e-commerce and building personal brands for yourself and others.
This is why I would recommend you. This will bump up your conversion rate by at least 3%. And also the open rates are insane. Comparing to the emails that you're getting right now, I would definitely go ahead and activate this one as well. And from there on, you should have 3% higher conversion rate.